Sir, I just wanted to know how is your experience before and after buying Ethix water conditioner? So, what was your earlier problems and now what you are feeling? A small brief.
We installed just 2 months back.
Okay.
So before there are a lot of scaling in the bathrooms
Okay.
and taps
Okay.
and hard water.
Okay,
So
sir.
that due to that problem, we approached this Ethix. They advised this machine.
Okay.
So we installed and it's giving good results now.
Okay. Which type of result you are finding, sir?
And they do,
Like earlier, what you could see, and now.
during the bath time, we are feeling the smoothness of
Okay.
water.
So it's softness you are feeling that.
Softness we are feeling.
Okay.
And our plants also, thriving well now.
Very nice, sir. Very nice. So you are seeing the difference in even in plants also.
Even in
So that means it is very valid thing that plants can grow very well through our Ethix water conditioner.
So before in our latrines, this tank also, a lot of salt.
Okay, deposits was there.
Deposits.
Yes, sir.
Mainly saw that one and switch it to this.
Okay.
This one, mainly to that one. So now there is no salt.
Beautiful, excellent, sir. Excellent.
Practically just now I saw. Yesterday
Okay.
I saw.
Yesterday you seen.
So no salt now.
So great.
So that means it is working.
It is working.
It is working.
So are you happy now, sir?
Happy.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.